Yeah, hello everyone. This is Sai Chandan. Today I have done an assignment. This is conducted by Peer Media Company. So this is basically a web app for image generation and text generation. So you can see the instruction here. So basically, it means like you have to upload an image on the input, and we can generate the text based on that image, and we can enhance that prompt. Whatever we are getting that caption, we can simply enhance that prompt. Enhance that prompt, and after we are getting that prompt, and we can generate image, or we can simply enhance that prompt as well. So hope you can see this is a basic UI I have built. So currently my local host is running at 3000. I wanted to mention that I have used basically two APIs for these generations. So for text generations, I have used for text generation, I have used Gemini API. I have created an API on Google AI Studio for test prompt generation and creating caption by analyzing the image. By analyzing the image, we can get we can get a prompt. Based on that prompt, we can enhance it and we can generate an image. So generating an image, I have used uh, this API like. So I will explain you in the code so that you can understand. So for generating the text and enhance or analyzing the image, I have used this Google Gen API. Also for generating the caption, I have used this generative API only for enhancing also. Or for generating the image, I have used Hugging Face for clear image getting from an backend like right using this endpoint. Yeah, so let me explain this about my live deployment URL. So meanwhile, I have created some. I have downloaded an image. So hope you can see this image. So I'm selecting it and opening out. So processing pixels. So after analyzing that image, we will get an prompt like this, like basic prompt. So without enhancement. So when we click on this enhance, so this basic prompt will be enhanced and it will be like more elaborative, and we can create more elaborated images. And we are giving the instruction to the LLM in elaborated way. So when we click on this enhance, that basic prompt will be optimized and we will get an optimized prompt. So I'm clicking on it, right? So now it is optimizing. See, so from this prompt to this prompt, it will enhance it, and we can simply copy, and we can simply paste this copied prompt, and we can simply click on generate. So this whatever the Hugging Face uh, API will be there, it will generate the images based on our style. So you can select here the style like anime. By default, it is realistic, anime, cinematic, and we have other options also. So I'm clicking on a realistic only, and I'm clicking on generate here. So the image is generating from the Hugging Face API key. Yeah, here you can see that, right? So you can we can view full image, right? So this is a realistic Hugging Face image which is generated by the that API or LLM. So you can see this copy image, or you can also copy an image like this, or also you can simply download an image, right? So image was downloaded, and also this history. So whatever the history will be there, it will be stored on local storage. So you don't need to worry about like storing or right, and you can simply reset it, or you can simply go to it. And the final part I wanted to say that it is a mobile responsiveness. So yeah, you can see this, right? And you can click menu and you can modify based on that, and you can give prompt also. So if you give the prompt also, it will be generated, right? Now I'm going to test with a normal uh, a man is sitting on the water. So I'm creating it as a cinematic experience, and like clicking on generate, it is generating based on our style. See how you can see sitting on water, and we have created an image, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's all about my project, and finally I have pushed my code to GitHub. You can find the repo here. Yeah, and yeah, that's all about my project, and thank you.